You open your laptop one morning, you see a LinkedIn post. AI is replacing 30% of testing jobs. You scroll a bit, you see another post that developers are losing projects because client prefers AI automation. You started wondering, am I next? Let's face it, AI is changing the IT world faster than we ever imagined. It can write code, fix bugs, test softwares, even generate designs. But here's the truth, AI won't replace everyone. It will replace the ones who refuse to evolve. I have been in IT for approx a decade. I have seen technologies rise and fade from manual testing to DevOps, from on-prem to cloud, and now coding to AI assisted coding. But one thing never changed. The people who adapted always survived. In this video, I will tell you top 5 IT skills that will never be replaced by AI and how you can build them starting today. Let's start with problem solving. Think of that moment when your production system crashed at midnight. The logs makes no sense, the dashboard was blank, and the client started panicking. You didn't just Google it, you figure it out. AI can give you the solution based on data, but it cannot really understand like a human does. In real world, problems are not written clearly like in coding assignment. Sometimes a system fails because two teams working together misunderstood each other or a client behaves something unexpectedly. As a developer, your ability to think logically, debug effectively, and connect multiple dots. That's something AI can't do its own. So never focus only on syntaxes, focus on thinking like a problem solver. AI can follow instructions perfectly, but it cannot think differently. AI is great about repeating patterns, but the creativity is breaking the patterns. It is about coming up with a new way to solve a problem, a clear design, or a smarter workflow. For example, AI can help you write code, but only a creative mind can design a product that truly helps people. And creativity does not just mean design, it also means creative thinking in architecture, testing, and automation. So keep experimenting, don't just copy what others are doing, build your own way. Now let's talk about communication. We have all seen that a great developer who writes brilliant code but never gets noticed. Another one, maybe not a great coder but speaks clearly, explains ideas, handle clients properly, and keeps growing. That's the power of communication. You cannot automate empathy, negotiation, or teamwork. When you explain a complex bug to a non-technical client or help your junior understanding a tricky logic, that's leadership. AI will never replace connections. Here's a secret the most developer miss. The higher you grow in IT, the less your coding matters and more your business understanding matters. In IT, it is not enough to know just how to code, but you also need to know why you are coding it. For example, if you are building a billing module, understand how invoice flows, what customer expect, and where the data matters most. That's how you move from being just a developer to become a solution builder. Finally, the most important one, continuous learning. Every IT professional faces this fear. What if my skills become outdated? And the truth is it will. Every few years, a new wave hits and only those who learned stay ahead. From manual testing to Selenium, from .NET Framework to .NET Core, from on-prem servers to cloud, you all have seen it happen. So stop fearing change, start preparing for it. So here's the truth. AI might take away tasks, but it cannot take away thinking, creativity, or human intent. If you focus on these 5: problem solving, creativity, communication, business understanding, and continuous learning, you will not only survive, you will lead. So the next time you feel this fear, remember this, it is not about AI replacing humans. It is about humans who use AI replacing those who don't.